Hello students, this is ISI MSQE 2019 solution. Let's start with question number 4. A bus stop has to be located on the interval 0 to 1. There are 3 individuals located at 0 to 03, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.9 on the interval. If the bus stop is located at point x, then the utility of the individual located as y is minus mod of y minus x. Okay, that's good. So anyway, a negative value, that is the negative of the distance between the bus stop and the individual's location. A relocation of the bus stop said to be Pareto improving. Okay, that is, no one is worse off, but someone is better off. It is at least as one individual is better off. Okay, so that is, this part is irrelevant here. So location of the bus stop is said to be Pareto efficient if there exists any Pareto improving relocation. So what will happen over here? So for this location, this x possible values are 0.2 to 0.9. Okay, so for this particular case, there is no Pareto improving thing. So this is because for any relation x dash not equal to x, there should be at least one agent who is worse off. So at least one must be worse off. So for x less than 0.2, x plus epsilon e may be lies between 0.2. Now this is a parity improvement, and for x greater than 0. Now x minus epsilon will give you what? 3.9 and x. So this is parity improving. Thus a set of Pareto efficient allocation is 0.2 to 0.9. So option number nothing is given, so D is the answer. So consider 3 goods: cable TV, fish in the international waters, and a barger. And consider the 4 descriptions of the 2 goods: non-rival, non-exclusive, non-rivalry. So this we have to match in what, and we match goods if possibly description. Okay. Rival means only one. Non-rival, it can be consumed by multiple one. Non-rival. Excludability means a consumer measures the degrees which limited by the paying consumer. So cable television is non-rival and excludable. A fish in international water is rival and non-excludable. And the last one, burger is rival and excludable. So obviously the answer is A with C, B with D, and C with B. Option number D.